One AI model is not intelligence. Most enterprises deploy a single AI model and wonder why their dashboard still can't answer the question that actually matters. Because every model has blind spots, and in enterprise environments, blind spots aren't inconvenient, they're expensive. EPC Group changed that. We engineered a multi-model AI architecture for Microsoft Power BI and Fabric that runs multiple AI systems in parallel, cross-validating, orchestrating, and delivering one trusted answer. Multiple models, one truth. I'm Aaron O'Connor, founder of EPC Group, ranked a top 10 AI architect in North America and a two-time New York Times best-selling author. We've delivered over 5,200 Microsoft implementations across Fortune 500, federal agencies, and global enterprises, and we've been recognized on the G2 grid for 4 consecutive quarters with a perfect Net Promoter Score of 100. This isn't theory. Organizations are seeing faster adoption, lower licensing costs, real-time decision intelligence, and AI that actually works because the data finally does. The future of business intelligence isn't dashboards, it's AI-driven decision platforms. And the companies leading are not relying on one model. They're building architecture. That's what we do. Contact EPC Group. Contact at EPCGroup.net. 888-381-9725. EPCGroup.net/contact. Your competitors are already moving.